It's been a long time coming, like 3-4 years, so I'm glad it got to me. And because roof is expensive, and you can't get one replaced unless it's a traumatic situation happening with the weather or something. Because a lot of people can't afford these major repairs. That's a major repair. It's not like a $200 or $300. $6,000, $7,000, $8,000. And when you're a single parent, that's a lot of money at one time.
For this particular project, we were able to get donations of roofing materials, shingles, etc., from GAF Materials Corporation. They came to us in January saying that they wanted to honor their employees' wishes to be more active and participatory in the community in which they serve. Then there was the idea of donations of material. So it has been truly a community collaborative.
So we wanted to help with the housing projects and to help people that was deserving and elderly, veterans, single parents that have their kids that's active in the community. And so this is where this project stemmed from. We raised some funds for this, and we reached out to a partner in Columbia, a contractor that's doing these properties today. So it's been a blessing. I'll say it's roughly about 120 to 130 homes